Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Spartan Hair Shampoo review. Legit or scam? Spartan Hair Shampoo claims to promote hair growth, strengthen strands, and improve scalp health. But is it truly effective or just another overhyped product? Let's find out. Spartan Hair Shampoo uses natural ingredients like biotin and essential oils, and it's free from harsh chemicals such as sulfates and parabens. It's designed to nourish the scalp and encourage healthier, thicker hair over time. Some of its main benefits include promoting hair growth, being gentle on sensitive scalps, and reducing dryness and irritation. It's also safe for daily use, making it easy to add your routine. However, not everyone sees results. Some users notice improvements, while others don't. It can take weeks or months to see any difference, and it's priced higher than regular shampoos, which might not be ideal if you're on a budget. So is it legit? Spartan Hair Shampoo appears to be a genuine product, but it's not a miracle cure. It may help improve scalp and hair health, but if you're expecting instant or dramatic results, it might not meet your expectations. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.